the police are rushing you. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. No. You're gonna need a belt, like something.
Alright guys, just have to go over if you see life jacket to go see Stop that. You guys ready to go?
You close your eyes and go like this. There's like a massive wave all around. I'm kind of scared now. I don't want to. My sister went like 100 miles per hour. She told me when he turned, he goes extremely short. Like he goes fast. I'm ready for that. I need to hold.
We gotta teach our children how to ride the beast in today's day and age while wearing the right colors. It's not a joking matter, it's a fact.
Campers here, you can grab lunch.
Imagine we let people sit in the backpack.
They do.
I know because it didn't start yet.
This is Fleet Week 2026. As we look at one of our warships being tended to in the middle of the Hudson. We are at Pier 84. Circle line. As the beach takes to the south.
That looks slow. I hear it. I see it. I hear it too. Oh yeah. I'm not doing it.
Here we go.
It was almost. Do you see in the back? The back is always synced in.
He toned it down for you guys. He toned it down for you guys. That wasn't really how he turned. He turned much more dramatically than that.
I know.
He doesn't want to scare her up. He wants to get on the boat and then
No,
scare
he's
her
like,
up.
whoa, I'm not doing that. That's mild. Come on, you're doing that.
Actually, I want to.
That's nothing.
The back was very low to the water.
The front is in the